Hey guys, me Tesla Blaine, I'm back again, and today I got something really quick to show you. Actually, I got a couple of things to show you. My friends from EV Base, they sent me this, well, let me show you what it is. It's a sunglass holder to go up behind your mirror. See, it just kind of opens up like that. Well, anyways, let's get started. I'm going to show you how to install it, and then I got a couple other Christmas things I'm going to show you too. Let's get started. So here it is. So really, it says Yanzi, but like I said, it's from EV Base. If this is something you've been looking for or anything, or you're interested in, the link to it will be in the description of my video. Make sure you use my discount code, save yourself some money. So anyways, it's pretty simple. Really, it's just going to go right here behind my mirror, and it's this plastic little sunglass case. Opens up, and it's got felt on the inside. So then my sunglasses or reading glasses or whatever I want, like this, can just simply go in there and close up. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and install it, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like. But really all it is you got these two little pieces right here. Okay, they're going to slide up behind the plastic cover that's on your mirror already. So once I get those in, before I do that, I'm going to take off my two little stickers right here. So once I get those up in there, then I'm going to press up and hold it. That right there, these will stick to the other plastic, and that's it. That's all it's going to take to install this thing. So let me do it real quick, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like. All right, so I got it installed, and if you look really closely here, I can see that little plastic lip that it had. It's over top of right there. I can see it's over it, so I know it's on there good. I got that pressed up on there. There you go. I mean, installed. It matches the black plastic and everything, and it looks pretty good. I'll come over and sit in the driver's side here and take a look at it. But all you gotta do is press up. There's your sunglasses sitting right there. And double click it back up in. It's really easy to install. Let's take a look at it from the driver's side. Here's the view from the driver's seat. As you can see, I'm just sitting here. This is where I normally sit right here. And it's a little bit bulkier, but it's not that much. It's not blocking any of my view or anything. I mean, I like it. It's not bad. Not bad at all. It's pretty cool. I like it. And also from EV Base, they hooked us up with this Frosty, didn't they, Sophia? Is that pretty cool? And you turn the light on and off. And you're going to sing a song for us, aren't you? All right. But while you're singing the song, I'm also going to show two other items. One is the wreath that we're going to put on your grandma's car. Okay. I know we put it on. And we're also going to show you where I put the Santa hat on Delaney's car on the big T logo. So I want to show you that while you're singing. So what song did you want to sing for us right now?
Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
Okay, hold on. We're gonna hear Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. And all right, go.
Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer had a very shiny nose. If you ever saw him, even you say it glows.
All right.
I don't really know the other parts.
The rest of them? Okay, well, that's fine, but that's good enough. So anyway, Sophia, we want to say thank you to EV Base for sending us these little holiday gifts, right? And really the sunglass holder thing went in there pretty good. I just went right up here. What do you think of this, Sophia? Look, see, it just comes down, it holds my sunglasses right there.
That's cool.
It is pretty cool, isn't it? And then it just clicks right back up there. So hey, if anybody's interested in any of this stuff, even the little holiday decorations and things like that, all they got to do is go straight to EV Base. I have the link for them in the description of the video. Make sure that they use my discount code, okay, TESLAB, save some money. And what else, Sophia? Oh, if you haven't subscribed already, Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up on this video. And guys out there, be safe, have fun, and most of all, keep driving. Peace. Say peace. Peace. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Bye.
Bye.